Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time I'm stopping by, you're welcome. Thank you for stopping by. My name is Mary Dika and today's video is about this pretty orange eye makeup tutorial. So if you want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching and please don't forget to show me love by clicking the subscribe button. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you so much. I'm using this Oriflame Pure Skin Mattifying Face Lotion to prime my face. I'm using this Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation for my face. I'm using this Elegant Pro Concealer in the shade Warm Sand to highlight my face. I'm using this Iman Cosmetics Luminous Powder Foundation in the shade Clay 2 to set my highlights. I'm using this benign banana powder to set my highlights too. I'm using this Iman Cosmetics Luminous Powder Foundation in the shade 85 to contour my cheek. I'm using this Anastasia Brow Pomade in the shade Dark Brown for my brows. I'm using this Novan Beauty Intensified eyeshadow palette for my eyes, and I'm using this shade called Ikite for my crease first. Next, I'm using Zenab for my crease too. Zenab, it's orange shade, yeah. Next, I'm using Binta for my lid. Binta for my lid. Next, I'm going to add Nika, this shade right here, for my outer crease to make it more darker and deeper. Next, I'm going to use this Zircal Cosmetics Smudge Proof Gel Eyeliner to line my eyes. I'm using this classic makeup voluminous mascara for my eyes. I'm using this gold eyeliner for my waterline. I'm using this shade Benta that I use for my lid, for my lower lash line. Using this shade Nika, the one I use for my outer crease here, for my lower lash line, the outer part. I'm using this MAC Cosmetics Gold Deposit Highlighter to highlight my face. I'm using this Zircal Cosmetics Sparkling Honey Dust Highlighter for my face too, to highlight my face too. I'm using this Tara Makeup Blush Palette. I'm using this one right here for my shade. I'm using this Zircal Cosmetics Sealed Makeup Fixing Spray to set my makeup. I'm using this Miss Rose Makeup Liquid Matte Lip Stain in shade 10 for my lips.